Hi guys and welcome to another video. So let's continue with our object oriented programming classes or tutorials. So if you have been following this series for the last two videos or three, I don't know for sure, you probably know that I've been doing this implementation of a student class. Okay, so we are trying to figure out the best way to do this. So for now I have this way to do, because it's very simple. Just pass the name of the object. I could call student number one, and I have this implementation. I pass the age, and I pass his or her grades as a double array of size tree. So there are things that we could do here to get a better implementation. Okay, so if I wanna get the age of the student, I don't have any means to do that right now. I don't have a method to do this, but to get the student age, actually, let's start by the name. I could do this. I could do the following. Okay, public, because we're gonna able to access the name is a string, so string. And the name of the method to get the name, it could be get name. Okay, doesn't receive any parameter, and let's just return name. So this is one way to do this. Okay, so the information is protected. I am not able to change the name of the student. Okay, but I'm gonna show you guys how you could do this. So if I want to show just the name of the student, I'm gonna type console.writeLine Steve, or dot get name. So if I run this, I'm gonna be able to see the name of the student right here. Okay, so that's there are other ways to do this. This is one way. There are different ways to do this. Now, if I want to set the student's name, I could create a void method, because it doesn't return a type. Set name, I'm gonna pass string name. It's very similar to the constructor, but instead of initializing, we're gonna set the name. If I do this and I type Steve dot set name, for instance, John. Okay, and I call the same method right here and paste. I'm gonna see that I have this output. Okay, you guys can see I've changed the name of this student. So you guys, this is the video, guys. I hope you like it. See you guys next time.